Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be talking to you about surveys. So if you look on how to make money online and any blogs on the internet, mostly you'll see one of the things they recommend is to do surveys. I've set a challenge for myself, so I'm going to sign up to every single survey I can possibly do and every single survey website, and over a course of a week I'm going to see how much we can actually make and if it's actually viable as a means of income. So let me bring you to the websites I'll be signing up to. Also, I forgot to mention as well, so throughout the week I will give my feedback. I'm not sponsored by any of the surveys, so I'll give my feedback, what's good, what's not, how quick they pay out, how much you have to receive to pay out, etc, etc. So hopefully after the week we should make a nice bit of money. Okay, so at the moment I'm going to be setting up all the websites. I've got 14 in total, so I'm just getting them already all logged in. The time is 11:40 on the 20th of October. We're starting with 0, so hopefully by the end of the day I'll give you a overview of what we've made. I've previously signed all up already just to save some time, but yeah, here we go. So at the moment I am 45 minutes in and I've earned myself £1.76. Keep the money rolling. So it's day 2 now, and I thought I just wanted to capture this, and yeah, it's to keep you when you're going through with the surveys, you are really having to concentrate on, because sometimes if you get the wrong answer they'll just cut you off, and obviously you're trying to do as many surveys as you can to get as much money as possible, even though the money is not that great. But yeah, it's like I'm in day 2, 4:30, and yeah, struggling to concentrate. I'm in the middle of this survey now, and I'm just having to take a break. I want to be downstairs with my family, and I can't. Oh, anyway, crack on. I'm back. Okay, at the start of the video it says about how I was going to do them for a week. I stopped at 3 days. I had commitments, being a parent, and also full-time work commitments, and it was so mentally draining. I mean, surveys, when they say that they're a source of income, they're really not. And let me go over why that is, for example. So to recap, day 3, I was at work, so I was trying my best to do surveys while working, and one survey I missed. It was an hour-long survey, but it was £6.50. It was going to be intense. I could see. I read the. You can read the what the survey is going to be about on Prolific, and it looked intense, and I was like, oh, do I not? Like, no, I need to focus on my actual job, because I don't want to be sat and then be doing surveys, which are not fun anyway. So let me go over the sites I signed up to and what I made. So I've just got my laptop here. I signed up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 in total that were actually decent. I think I said at the start of the video there were more, but as time went on, I had to cut them out because the only reason was when I was signing up to the surveys, or sorry, not signing up, but when I was applying for surveys, they would do a pre-survey to check if your criteria match what they're looking for. Now, I must have wasted around about 2-3 hours, probably each day, and I'm not even joking. And then to be turned down, that's even more. That's even more soul destroying than you think. So anyway, the survey site that I use actually at the moment for the Lambo challenge, if you don't know what that is, there's a video coming out, or it's already out and you can click up there. Prolific is the site that I use, prolific.co, and they're actually a really good site. Some of them are really quick and they pay out really well. You only need to have £5 minimum, and then you can cash out and it'll go straight to your PayPal. What I usually do with Prolific, I'll save about £20 and then deposit. It's just nicer like that. Another site I signed up to, PayViewPoint, they were okay. TMG Panel, Swagbucks, MobRog, M-O-B-R-O-G, Pure Profile, Crowdology, QMe, and Panel Opinion. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Day one, I made £3.29, most of it being on Pure Profile. I remember there was like a big survey I did, and another one was QMe. Day two was a low day. It was the lowest day out of the 3, and that was £2.08p. Ballin'! And day 3 was £2.85. So in total, for the 3 days, I earned £8.22, and that was probably 4 hours a day each on surveys. Yeah, so that's not including the times that I would try and sign up to a survey and then I would be kicked off because I didn't meet the criteria. The question to ask is, would I carry on doing surveys, or would I use surveys as a mean to top up the income? Hell no. Hell no. And the reason being is there's a lot better ways out there, which will be coming up in future videos, to make money. So your time invested for the money gained, because yeah, it is horrible, man. And the only reason I use Prolific is because of the Lambo challenge. I had to start with 0 and I needed to substitute my time for cash and then build a pot for a capital. So yeah, no, do not do it. And if you do it, obviously watch this video, but also if you actually do have a different opinion to me, just let me know in the comments. Just let me know, because I'll be interested to see and honestly change my mind, because going through those 3 days, there's a lot better time I could have spent doing surveys than doing that. So that's it from me. This is just step 1, video 1, how to make money online, how to make an extra income. Surveys, no, but if you liked this video and it was an insight to you, please leave a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel. A lot more videos coming your way. I hope this gives some value to you, really. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.